Welcome to Content Analysis. Have you ever pulled an all-nighter and felt like your whole body was off the next day? New research suggests that the damage from sleep deprivation may go far deeper than just feeling tired. It could directly harm your gut. According to a report published by Live Science, a new mouse study found that sleep deprivation disrupts communication between the brain and the gut through the vagus nerve. The research, published in the scientific journal Cell Stem Cell on February 5, 2026, shows that lack of sleep triggers abnormal signaling that damages intestinal stem cells, the very cells responsible for repairing and maintaining the gut lining. To understand why this matters, think of intestinal stem cells like maintenance workers in a building. If those workers are reduced or weakened, small cracks in the walls don't get fixed. Over time, the structure becomes unstable. Similarly, when gut stem cells lose their regenerative power, the intestine becomes more vulnerable to inflammatory diseases such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. The study found that just 2 days of sleep deprivation in mice caused oxidative stress in the intestines. The mice had nearly half the number of intestinal stem cells compared to well-rested mice. That's a dramatic drop in a very short time. Imagine skipping sleep for a weekend. Your body may feel exhausted, but internally, crucial repair systems could already be under strain. Researchers also discovered that sleep loss increased levels of serotonin in the gut. While serotonin is essential for digestion and muscle movement, too much of it can contribute to diarrhea, inflammation, and even tumor development. Normally, serotonin levels are tightly regulated. However, sleep deprivation both increased serotonin release and reduced its reabsorption, allowing it to accumulate excessively. So, how does the brain communicate this disruption to the gut? The key appears to be the vagus nerve, the major highway connecting the brain and digestive system. When researchers severed the vagus nerve in sleep-deprived mice, serotonin levels remained normal and stem cell damage was prevented. They also identified acetylcholine as the messenger chemical responsible for triggering this harmful cascade. This research is still in early stages and was conducted in mice, but it highlights something powerful. Sleep is not just for mental clarity. It is fundamental for full-body health. In daily life, many people sacrifice sleep for work, social media, or entertainment, assuming the only cost is temporary fatigue. But studies like this suggest the long-term consequences may include increased risk of inflammatory bowel disease and possibly even cancer. The researchers now plan to study this pathway in human intestinal organoids to determine whether the same mechanism exists in people. If confirmed, future treatments might target the vagus nerve or serotonin signaling to protect the gut in individuals with chronic insomnia. This study is a reminder that sleep is not a luxury. It is biological maintenance for the entire body. Stay connected with Content Analysis for more science-backed insights into health, research, and discoveries shaping our understanding of the human body.